Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Axolotl, and today I'll be showing you how to make a cute, squishy nano tape smoothie. Well, I'll be trying to. I don't know if I can exactly. I've seen other people do it, so I'll be trying. Okay, so we're gonna start with our piece of nano tape, and then we're gonna turn it into a tube, so it should be in a tube form, and make sure the non-sticky part is in the inside. And then you should have this tube. Then you're gonna take another piece of nano tape, littler, way littler, put it on the bottom. Then, so that it's like this, it's the bottom of it. Then we're gonna take off the plastic. Then we're gonna seal it up. Make sure it is secure. There is no holes, because we do not want holes. And now you have a cup. Your cup. You can put like water in it or something. And now, instead of putting water in it, we're gonna put some color. So I have my nano tape box. This is my nano tape box. Nano tape box. Now, I'm going to take something that would suit this substance. So I'm going to say, let's do some stars and some balls. And then let's do some white glitter and some yellow glitter. Okay. Now, take our cup, and then I have some slime right here. And if you guys don't have slime, you can always check out my other video of how to make slime. And so we're gonna have to make it really skinny so it can fit into the tube. Very skinny. Roll, 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 making it super skinny. Now try to plop it in. Oh no, I forgot. Take the slime out. I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I messed up. And it looks like the side has a crack. So I'm just gonna seal that up. Okay, crack is all sealed up. Now, balls. I'm gonna put them at the bottom. Not too many. That should be good amount. Just to fill the bottom. Now, I'm gonna put some stars into my slime. Ah, no! The balls are rolling out. That's terrible. Okay, so let me put the balls back in because they need to stay in there. Ah, why do they keep rolling away from me? It's like they don't love me. Why? So sad. I'm gonna cry. But no, I'm not. And go now. I'm just gonna knead these stars into the slime. Slime is starry. The slime is brighter than your future. Okay, now that the slime is brighter than my future, let's add some yellow into there. Oh my gosh. That was not supposed to happen. It just spilled. But luckily, only a little. That was extra shiny. That was really, really brighter than my future. So I'm just going to sweep this up, put it into my hand, put it into the slime. Now some white. So shiny. It's so shiny. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Mix it all in. Now the slime is way, way, way brighter than my future. Okay, now I make sure the balls are all lined up in there. Get the balls off the side. This ball is literally stuck to the side and will not get off. Okay, I'll just put a replace ball because you are being super naughty. Ooh, blue one! Ah! I don't know where that went. Somewhere to its future. Ah! Balls. These naughty, naughty balls. Everything's running away from me. Why? Does nothing like me? Anyway, let's put this slime in. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful slime in. Just stuff it all in. It's so pretty. Love it. The balls are there. Okay, now at the top, I'm gonna add 2 balls at the top. There's 2 balls. Oh, look at that. It literally looks like a smoothie. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, it keeps falling. Stay. Okay, it's okay. I don't care. I don't care. Now I'm gonna get some white glitter and sprinkle it onto the top. There. And close it up. Keeps falling. Yellow glitter. And then lastly, some stars. Oh no. So, whoa, what the heck? So, weird thing just happened, guys. Some stars fell out, and instead of a star, I felt this weird shape. It's like the outline of the stars. I don't know what it is. Okay, but anyway, it's looking so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. So pretty. Okay, now take some more nano tape. These scissors are not good for cutting nano tape. Like at all. At all. At all. Take off the sticky plastic and put it on the top. But that is not all, because what do all smoothies have? A straw. So we need to make a straw. So we're gonna take a piece of nano tape. Has to be like tiny, literally. Like a strip. A strip, and then we're gonna roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll, roll, roll. And there, a straw. Now we're gonna plop it on top. There. Isn't it so adorable? But what does it need? It needs a face. Everything needs a face, right? But guys, make sure you use permanent markers, not washable. Just throw that away. Okay, so now let's draw a cute, adorable little face on this cute little squishy. Their cute little face. Isn't it so cute? This is adorable. This came out way better than I thought. But if this video gets 500 likes, then I'll destroy my beauty. That's all for today, guys. Bye!